colonial map that made little sense helped to breed conflict. The West has often approached Africa as a patron or a source of resources rather than a partner. So I'm here off exit 9 on the banks of the old Raritan at the site of one of the original 9 colonial colonies. In colonial times, many of the slaves brought over from Africa were Muslim. In countries that are held together by borders that were drawn by colonial powers, including many countries in the Middle East and in Africa, it can be tempting to fall back on the perceived safety of enclaves and tribal divisions.